Good morning. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this black button-up shirt with these waisted jeans that are cut off at the bottom. This is my makeup. I just have a very simple concealer, CC cream, liquid blush, and just this ColourPop lip. Come along with us on our day to run errands. See you soon.
Hi.
Hi, what are you wearing today?
This.
What is it? Show the back. Wow. And your jeans. And now we just need socks and shoes.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
I'm going to do a lot. I'm gonna go run out some errands.
Some errands. Yeah. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
We're at Lion's Discount. It's a liquidation store. So look, they have Cat and Jack from Target, 6 to 9 months. This is really cute. If I had a little baby, I would use this. It's so soft and cozy. This cool shirt. I would wear that. That's cool. You see it, guys? This is cute. Love is love. Look at these, you guys. Wild Fable. These are from Target. These are actually really cute. They're size 8. These are cool. And then look at this. Inflatable pumpkin pie, $1.99. And the shoes are $20. That's a little pricey. Let's go over here, you guys. See what they have. They have little baby clothes for really cheap too. 18 months. This is a cute one. This little purple one. They have little baby Cat and Jack pants. I'm starving, you guys. I wonder what we're gonna eat today. Probably pho, you know. We always eat pho. The quick brown frog jumps over the lazy dog. I think this is like a random shirt that they just did for a tester. They have this from Target. This is cute. Has a little bit of stains on it though. I love Mike. I love him. I just do. Like a wine bottle holder, I think. It's so cute. It's a wine bag. That's cute. The goal today for me at the liquidation store is to find a espresso machine. So let's hope that we can find one. Cross our fingers. Look, you guys, we have Cat and Jack heel grip liners, footless tights for kids.
This one is the Target brand?
Yeah, this is the Target brand. $2.99. What price is it? $34.99.
And then this one, this one's cool because it has the bathroom cafe.
Oh, that's so cute. That's a perfect gift.
That's not even a bad price, too.
I wonder what I'm gonna get Ari for her birthday. They have cribs too, you guys. I think Ari had that. They have all this baby stuff.
Isn't this what you were looking for?
Yeah, I've been looking for some dresses for Ari to play with, so I might get this for her birthday. Hopefully she doesn't see this video. 20 bucks only.
Well, you do realize they're not gonna have this.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. And it's only one, so... Oh, there's two. Oh, there's another one. Ooh. Should we try them?
I never seen anything sriracha.
Let me see. How much are they?
Just...
These are 99 cents. We're gonna try them for you guys. They have cane brew sweet tea, all-in-one tea and sugar bag for $3.99. They have Starbucks for $7.99. Brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, lavender, mountain blend, limited edition. We're not supposed to go back there?
No.
She was back there. The lady was back there. No. That's pretty comfy. I love that, actually. I like that table. This table right here. This is cool. How is it $300? It's not even comfortable. It feels like freaking brick. You guys, look at this. Look at this. This is so low. I love it, but it's too low for me. Like, I feel like my kids would hit their heads on it. Look. Even flow. This is so cute. 40 bucks. It's used. Looks like the parts are missing though a little bit. But it's super smooth. Look. This one. I like stuff like that. It's a nice lamp. Look at this. So when I move out, you guys, this is expensive. It's $149, but when I move out, I'm planning on getting a table like this for the back of my couch so I can decorate it when I have a bigger house or whatnot. But yeah, like a table like this. Can you show it? This would be like the perfect price. And like having it just super skinny and then like a few books here and like a plant or something. This is a cool couch. I love like velvet colors if you haven't noticed. Like green, red, blue. Salon chair. Beautiful. It's like a salon chair. Look at these chairs. These are cool. Look.
That's pretty cool.
Look at these. They have grills here. Oh, look at these cute ones. That olive tree is cool. These are cool. This, how much is this? I want this for my house when I move out. 190. I don't think it's worth that price. I can find it at a thrift store somewhere. Yeah, look at this. What is this? Oh, it's a wine cooler. If we want to be all fancy, we can do that. Oh, wow. I mean, who has that much wine, though? You know what I mean? Like, we can just buy one bottle and be good. About to get kicked out. You about to get kicked out. He's hitting everything. Every time, listen, every time we go to a store, Diego always hits something with the cart. I'm like, dude. See? You guys, look at this. My dream is to own chickens if I ever can, and we just found a chicken coop. I've literally never seen a chicken coop before in my life, and this is so cool. I don't know, do you think I can handle it? Probably not.
Upside down.
Is it upside down?
Yeah, like that's the.
Oh.
It goes like that.
Yeah, because it has like stairs, I think. Dude, we were literally just looking for an espresso machine, and what? Are you kidding me? But it's an espresso, and that's kind of, I mean, that's good. We could get this, but I am looking for one that's like, has a milk frother. Would this be good, babe?
Isn't this more like instant?
This one's more like an instant one, and I'm looking for like the fresh one, but it's cool that we found this because we literally were looking for it.
Then is it like it's with that one brand? So
And it's this one, day long, for $77.99. Oh my god, you guys. I found an espresso machine. Well, no, never mind. Is it? I'm not sure. It's a coffee, 4-in-1 coffee maker. It's $149. I was looking for something like maybe 50 or 60. This is cool though. It has a milk frother, but I'm looking for the real espresso machine. Aw, I'm sad. It's okay. Remember these, you guys? Oh my god, look. The hand spinners. Everybody wanted them. So we got these Doritos Golden Sriracha Tangy and Sweet for 99 cents, and we wanted to try them for you guys because I've never seen Sriracha flavored Doritos, and it was cheap, so let's try it. My hands are a little dusty, but it's okay. Oh my god. That actually does taste like sriracha. I'm not a big fan of the hot sauce sriracha, but these are like sweet. And these are like lightly dusted with like the salt. They're super good. I could eat these for sure.
Are they spicy?
A little kick and that's it. Oh my god.
So you recommend them?
I recommend them. They are
So
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
They're okay. They're a little bit barely spicy, and they're tangy. They're like, they have that tangy sriracha flavor. Those are so good. Oh my god.
just barely off.
Handsome man.
Huh?
Handsome man. What's your hat?
Just 1 second, so we'll be right with you, okay?
Bass Pro Shops, Adidas bag, Nike crew neck.
It's a woman.
It's a woman's crew neck. Show the bracelet, the watch. We got the... Show the watch. We got the pants from Salvation Army and the Crocs. Show the Crocs. We live here at this point, so we live here. We are getting something new this time. We are getting the garlic noodles. So yeah, maybe the short ribs, I don't know, but we're gonna have a little fun with our food. Hell no. I'm not playing that game today. You guys do that. After this, we are going to this party store to look at some cupcake stuff for Ari's birthday. I'm planning ahead like 3 months. Her birthday's in May and we're planning in February, March, because I don't like to get stressed out right before the party. We're looking at chips, guys. Chips. I never seen these before, and I didn't know that they call them puffs. Puffs, yeah. Guys, look, we found them. We were looking for these everywhere, and we finally found them. We thought we were gonna find them at the Asian store, but we found them at the Mexican store. That's so random. Look, mango ice cream. This is lemon. I don't like lemon. Mandarin. I either like this one, mandarin.
What is that?
Spicy chicken? Spicy ice cream. What the? Spicy chicken leg.
Here we get done with it.
What the hell? Okay, we're gonna try this. I've tried Mexican Coke before, but like, I haven't had it in like a long time, like many years. I'm gonna do another taste test, but it's gonna be Mexican Coke. So I'm gonna get one of these to try for you guys. So it's straight up from Mexico, okay? Look. Exceso calorías. Coque. Sabor original. I like this bag a lot. I really want it. I don't know how much it is, but it's cute. Look. It's Frida and then.
It's cool, huh?
Look at these.
This type of like Mexican stuff.
Look at these guys. These are cute.
Oh, they're cool.
I don't know what they're for, but this is a cool bag too. It's kind of cool.
It's all made in Mexico, huh?
Yeah. These. And they can bring it back home with like, I can put little candies in there and like put like some stickers in there because the thing from Amazon that I'm getting comes with like some stickers. So I'm gonna do that. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. We literally found it at the most random store ever. I missed it at Costco when it was at Costco, but anyways, I'm just gonna try it, okay? Oh my god. Oh, wow. Look at that lady looking at me. That lady was looking at me like, where is that? I need to find that. That lady looked like she just saw a ghost. Look, I'm not even a big ice cream person, but I need another bite of that. You see how it's chewy-ish? It's like chewy, but like this inside center is so creamy. It is unlike any ice cream I've ever had. Are you kidding me? I'm not even being dramatic just because it's trending. I'm not even like that. The outside is like chocolatey almost. Oh my god. Wow, you guys, this is a 10 out of 10. Try it, babe. I suggest getting it. It's only like $4.99 for one, where we got it at. This is the wrapper. This is exactly what it is. It's called Propitious Mango. If you ever want to look for it. Found it at this place in Phoenix. This is my outfit of the day. Yesterday I was very classy. Today I'm sporty. This is it. Shoes, I have my Adidas Tokyo sneakers. Shoe cam. These are from a yard sale. I got them for like $3. I like that they have this. Shirt is, I got this from Desert Industries. It's a thrift store. I got this from Ross, I think for $20. Hey guys, it's the next day. We went to the Mexican candy store. We said we were gonna try this Mexican Coke, the real Mexican Coke, okay? And I decided that I wanted to try the real Mexican Coke from Mexico and the Mexican Coke from Walmart. So I'm gonna do a little taste test to see which one is better in my opinion, because I'm a really big fan of these. By the way, I said this in the last clip at the store that I haven't had a Mexican Coke in a long time. It's been many years, I don't know how many years. The reason why is because I stopped drinking like a lot of sugar and stuff like that. More than 5, maybe 6 years, I stopped drinking Coke. So this will be very fun. Okay guys, ready? Just tastes like regular Coca-Cola. It's not that amazing. It's not knocking my socks off. Okay, ready? More bubbly. It's not as sweet, which I like because I think it has cane sugar. This with some tacos. I definitely like this one better. This one is more sweet, but this one has more bubbles. Which one do I like better? I can't tell which one I like better. Final thoughts. I think this one is sweeter by just a tad bit, but it's kind of flat. This one's more bubbly, so it's more refreshing. And I'm not a big fan of like straight up sugar. I like cane sugar, so this one's my favorite. I like the flavor of this one better, but I would repurchase this one, and this one's still gonna be good with tacos. So, are you gonna try the Coke now? Tell me which one's your favorite. There's that one and this one. Which one do you like better? This is the first one and the second one.
Second one.
You like this one? Why?
Because it's so sweet and so cokey.
It's sweet and cokey? Okay, so now we're gonna try the fried chicken leg ice cream. Here it is, you guys. It's all in Chinese or Korean, I don't know. I think it's Chinese, but I can't even read the package, but this is it. Bluel spicy chicken leg ice cream. Chili flavored ice cream, you guys. I'm grossed out, to be honest. Oh, it surprisingly smells good. It smells like chicken and vanilla ice cream. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm very weird. I am grossed out, but I think I'm gonna like it because I like sweet and salty stuff. So, moment of truth. Look. It kind of looks like Popeyes, you know? Okay. Whoa. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. This literally tastes like chili. Like, it's spicy. It tastes like ice cream, like creamy ice cream, but also it tastes like chili powder. It tastes like buffalo sauce. That's what it is. It tastes like buffalo sauce with like chicken flavor, but also creamy, like not vanilla, but creamy. And it's a little spicy. It's got like pieces, and it really does feel like you're eating chicken. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's good. But would I repurchase it? No, because this is not my style of food. I don't like weird stuff like this, but I'm not puking, you know. But you try it. Tell me what you think. All right, I'm gonna have Ari try it. Take a bite. It's chicken flavored ice cream, okay? Take a big bite. What do you think? Chicken ice cream, what do you think?
Good.
Good? Is it spicy?
No.
No, it's not spicy. Well, she thinks it's good, so it's good.
Because I'm Mexican, I like spicy.